Hey folks, Nathan Adlin here at the Fastlane Car, and behind me, the Jaguar F-Pace. Baby, it does great on concrete, and it does fine on dry roads. But how does it do in winter driving conditions? Well, we are about to find out because we're in the middle of a blizzard in the Rockies. It's super slick up here right now. First major snow of the year near Boulder. We're in the hills, and the snowy path is extremely slippery. This engine puts out 247 horsepower and 269 pound-feet of torque, and all that comes out of a fairly small 2-liter turbocharged engine. It's hooked up to an 8-speed automatic transmission, which favors the rear wheels. However, it is an all-wheel drive system. Here we go. So right now I'm on rain, ice, and snow. Now I'm on eco, normal, and dynamic. These corners, they're fairly tight. I can feel I'm losing a little bit of traction. Problem is, I'm going downhill right now. And downhill basically is constantly on your brakes. I have it in first gear to try to prevent me from going too fast around a corner and sliding off to possible death. These tires are wrapped around 20-inch wheels. These are Michelin Latitude tires. They are mud and snow rated, and so far they've proven to be okay in this type of condition. However, if you live in snow country, snow tires are the way to go. Under normal driving conditions, you have 10% of the power up front, 90% in the rear. But when you need power up front, on days like today, it can take the power and send it to the front wheels. But yeah, the system, it works. It takes a minute to get used to. But this is a really slippery road. I've got guys off the road left and right that I'm passing, and despite the fact that I've got regular all-season performance-biased tires, it seems to not matter. It's doing the job. I'm really impressed. One of the things this car has, heating coils that are embedded in the glass. And I gotta tell you, this system works great if you can get used to looking through the coils that are in the glass that are almost microscopic, but not quite. Now these vehicles start at around $54,000, but this one, as equipped, comes out to $63,585. With that, you get a special package for sport and a whole lot of attitude when you're going sideways down a hill, slightly worried that you're going to lose control, but you don't, because this vehicle actually has a pretty good all-wheel drive system. Okay, we're the Fastlane Car. This is Nathan Adlin. Time for me to get back and enjoy heated seats and a heated steering wheel. It's super dangerous.
I'm cold. Can you pick me up?
Get in. Let's get out of here. It's bad. There's cars up there that are bad. It's bad.